Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a baby washcloth. This is part of my Atelier Joy baby bath collection. You can find this on my Etsy shop, linked below. The first step that you're going to do is to apply the interfacing to your contrast fabric. Again, you can find the pattern in the link below. It's for sale on my Etsy shop. So you'll attach your interfacing to that contrast fabric using your iron. Then, with your right side of your fabric up, you're going to lay the terry cloth on top of it. So your right side of your contrast fabric is kind of sandwiched on the inside. Match up all of your edges and corners and pin around all of the edges. Then you're going to stitch with a 5/8 inch seam allowance. Leave about 4 inches open on one of the straight edges. This is going to allow you to turn it. Now you're going to trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch everywhere except for that 4-inch opening that you left. Then you want to clip the corners to eliminate the bulk. So I like to do about 3 triangles that I cut out of that corner, so that when you turn it right side out, the corner isn't too bulky. Then just pull it right side out. Using your fingers, you can pull those corners out as much as you can. Since they're rounded corners, you don't need to push it with a scissors or anything like that. Finger press in along that opening so that it matches up with the rest of your seam allowance, and then press with an iron so the whole thing is nice and flat. Then at that 4-inch opening, you want to pin that closed. Now you're going to top stitch 1/4 inch from the edge all the way around, including where that opening was. When you get to the corners, make sure that you plant your needle in the fabric before lifting your presser foot to turn those curves. And there you have it. That's your baby washcloth. These make great baby shower gifts, and it's all part of my baby bath collection pattern for sale on my Etsy shop, linked below. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!